So hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to upload your file on internet. So, for example, let me just show you. So if I have this file, so let the PC die. So if I have this file, so this file is in my PC. So this is known as relative hyperlink. So relative hyperlink means it is in my PC. I can't share this URL with anyone, and then he could access the file through that URL, right? And the absolute relative hyperlink means absolutely any fucking where, so you could access it from any corner of the world through that link. So to make this relative hyperlink file, that is .index.html, I'm going to name it, to the absolute hyperlink, so you could share the link with anyone and then he could access it, like from the internet you could access it. To make it, I'm going to show you two ways. So first one is GitHub and second one is tinyhost. It's a small website, so we're going to explain both. See with me. So the first thing which you have to do is go on to the GitHub. So I would just press this. No, I don't think so. Okay. So as soon as you go on to the GitHub, press on the new button, and over here I would name it dummy web dot github.io. So remember, it is mandatory to add .github.io in front of it. Okay. So as soon as you add it, so what you have to do is, if you don't give it a description, that's fine. So create it. So as soon as you create, your repository is created, but it's not hosted online, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, upload a file. So I would create a file. So a very simple code, like it's just going to show you the color RGB, like it's, I guess, magenta, I guess that color is. Follow this account or else you're going to die. So please subscribe to the channel if you're watching it on YouTube, and if you're watching it on Insta, give it a follow. Damn, yeah. So as soon as you upload it, give the name index.html, and it is mandatory to add index.html because GitHub doesn't understand anything aside from index.html. So as soon as you name it index.html, what you have to do is go on to the settings. After going on to the settings, go on to the pages option, deploy, click over here, click on the branches, and in the branches select the main branch and save it. And yeah, it's going to be hosted in 2 minutes. Till that time I will explain you the tiny host. So what you have to do, tiny host, just TIINY. Okay, this is the website. So it's tinyhost.com. So I made a short proposal for my girlfriend from this website, and then I came to know about it. So what you have to do is, after going on to the tiny host website, you have to go on, click on upload. I'll just expand it, and yep, I'm over here. Okay, so the index file was saved here, so I would just select it. So it's index.html, and I would just log in through my account. Okay, sign out. Okay. Please, if anyone knows my password, please don't try to access it, man. Please, it's a humble request. So we will just go through the GitHubs, and I guess this is live too. Yep, this website is also live. So I would show you the GitHub website first, then we will move on to the tiny host. So bye bye, you have your website hosted onto the internet. And let's authenticate. Just give me 2 seconds. I want to charge my laptop till let's stay here. Just a sec, guys. Yes, the arc reactor is ready. Okay, so this was the first website which I created. I'm going to delete it. And remember, onto the tiny host, you could only host one website, so that is a drawback. But I guess you are going to use the tiny host if you have to, like, what we're going to say. Sorry for that. Just give a sec. I need more. Upload a zip instead. Okay, got it. So first thing first, to upload on the tiny host, you need to go on to the zip compressor. So for that, create a zip. So when you're on to the create a zip, select your file. So just click over here, select this and upload it. So the tiny host is developed to actually for the testers, for the customers, or for just for testing. Like if you have a file with you but you want to share it with the testers who want to check how the file looks, so you could share with them through the URL. So for the simple thing, you could just share them the link and then they could access it. So for that, the tiny host is developed. So I would just go over here, click on here, and publish it. Working magic. And 60, 70. Voila. The website is live. That's it for this video. Please do me a favor. Just that much. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. I want this video to be famous and I want me to be famous. Please do it. There are two ways. I just showed you in the simplest way that you could do and the fastest way anyone could explain without any blah blah blah. So please check and follow my channel. That's it. Bye.